CompUSD is mainly defined by the opposite level of R1 at 57.59, which is very important. Comp's especially beautiful intraday volume usually stands at 55,287,593, which goes against the way most people think. Compound is currently trading close to 56.43, and the 48.63 support level for CompUSD is very likely to be very amazing in a big way on May 8, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to do the compound cost exam for now or for about a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most important questions. What really matters is the short-term price outlook for compound. Many people thought that comp was a good investment because it was so important for compound support and resistance levels, etc. Market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptocurrency market to $1,136,850,397.543. This means that compound is currently being traded at around 56.43, which is close to the 48.63 support level for CompUSD. This shows that in every way that really matters, there are serious areas of strength for extremely a kind of huge way the in every way that really matters. Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry-free market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This shows that the total trading volume is $47,516,158,315, which is very important. This is what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $27,561.87, a drop of 4.43%. In the past 24 hours, the value of Ethereum has dropped by 3.71%, from 1841.73 to 1841.73. At the same time, the value of BNB went up by 3.17%, from 313.13 to 313.13. Contrary to popular belief, XRP, the most common local currency, is actually worth 6.93 and is currently trading at 42 cents. After losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. This shows that the total trading volume stays at $47,516,158,315, which is a lot. These things kind of show that the market is basically going down until the 8th of May 2023. In this video, we will basically by and large walk you through the compound cost exam for now or at least 1 week from now. We will also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. Most of the time, kappa is a good way to predict the short-term price of a compound, which is a very big deal right now. The crypto market as a whole is taking a big, bad drop, and compound support and resistance are the most common technical indicators used to predict key price levels. Also, resistance is a level at which dealers become especially active and usually stop the coin's price from going up in every way that really matters, regardless of what most people think or the help and resistance levels of compound execution. The real day-to-day chart of compound shows that the comp price has been going down for most of the year, with a 3.46% drop and especially in the last week. Over the past 24 hours, the value of the compound coin has stayed at 56.43, with a market capitalization of $410,933,753. At the moment, the compound exchange is close at 56.43, and the 48.63 support level for CompUSD is a strong area. The comp price changes 15.67% over the course of a week, and the trading volume is around $55,287,593, which is a lot. Examining the 8th of May 2023 over a normal period of time made sense below, or so they thought. They thought we could use a relative strength measure that moved in a normal combination and difference. Backing levels, opposition levels, and different time span moving midpoints, such as simple moving often beautiful normal and dramatic moving really normal, can stop the compound from growing in the future. This shows that opposition is a level at which sellers become especially dynamic and stop the coin's price from going up in every way that really matters. May generally be found at $57.59, then $60.37 in a big way. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency has support levels that were mostly found at 51.72 and then 48.63 in a quiet way. The MACD line is still below the signal line after a hybrid that shows that Comp USD is usually up against the resistance level of R1 at 57. Investors should wait for a change in direction on the daily line, which shows that the following are the support and resistance levels of compound performance. The day-to-day graph of compound generally shows that the comp cost has been going up steadily, with a 3.46% drop in basically essentially fundamentally. Beyond 24 hours, contrary to what most people think, the relative strength file for comp coin is currently floating at 21 for 14 days pretty normal line. This means that comp is an oversold zone and a pattern inversion in general, especially since the value of Ethereum has dropped by 3.7%. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the US. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the US are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest US retail sales numbers. As inflation goes down, sales are expected to go up by 0.8% in April, after going down for 2 months in a row. Tuesday, BTC/USD went from a high of $27,646.35 to a low of $26,878.95 during the same day. The price of Bitcoin has since gone back up, and it is now worth $27,097.23. The main reason for today's drop seems to be that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, failed to break out at 42.00. The index is currently moving around 41.06, with a floor of 38.00 as a possible goal if momentum keeps going down. Even though ETH had a small drop below $1,800, it was mostly stable on Tuesday. ETH/USD hit a high of $1,845.70